we have to show that angle 1 and angle 2 are congruent. Let's see to our diagram. We have given that angle A and C, they are congruent. What else? We have that ABE and CBD are congruent too. So if these two angles are congruent, so by the third angles theorem, we had that these two angles are congruent as well. So let me write this from the beginning. We have that angle A is congruent to angle C. This is given. We have also that angle ABE is congruent to angle CBD. This is also given. From these two statements, we have that angle BEA is congruent to angle BDC. This is by third angles theorem. So we have given that these two angles are congruent as well. And we see that angles BEA and angle 1 are supplementary. So the measure of angle BEA plus measure of angle 1 is 180 degrees, I can write. So let me put that measure of angle BEA plus measure of angle 1 is 180 degrees. And on the other side, we have that measure of angle BDC and angle 2 are supplementary as well. So we have that measure of angle BDC plus measure of angle 2 is 180 degrees. So we can combine these two equations because on the right side we have 180 degrees. So we have that measure of angle BEA plus measure of angle 1 is equal measure of angle BDC plus measure of angle 2. Know that angle BEA is congruent to angle BDC. It means that the measure of these two angles is equal. So let me move this to the left side. So we will have to copy measure of angle BEA. Now we will be minus measure of angle BDC plus measure of angle 1 is equal measure of angle 2. Because measure of angle BEA is equal to measure of angle BDC, so we can reduce this. And we have only that measure of angle 1 is equal to measure of angle 2. It means that angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. This is my solution.